What's up, y'all? Clay Mallard Motors here. Got a new truck on the lot I'm going to show you real quick. Before I get started, don't forget about our $100 challenge. That's where we'll give you $100 in cash if we're unable to give you a credit approval. So let's take a look at this 2010 model Ford Explorer Sport Trac XLT. Kind of a maroon color. Last year model they made these things. Got a matte black hood, chrome grille, got fog lights on the front, blacked out front grille, black fender flares, got fixed running boards on both sides, roof rack on top, got like new tires, great tread on there, and then you got 17-inch alloy wheels. Got the black back bumper as well, and you got parking sensors on there and a towing package. You got a nice bed liner spray in, and then you've also got a bed cover that will fold. It's got keyless entry. Clean auto check, 2 previous owners. Interior is super clean. Got a light colored tan cloth. And then you've got vinyl flooring, which I kind of like. Got air vents for the back seat and a charging outlet. Keypad entry system. Power locks, power windows, and power adjustable side mirrors. Got power adjustable driver's seat. Only got 136,000 miles. Really not bad for the year model. Cruise control on the left side of the steering wheel, and then you got some controls for the radio on the right. Just a basic stereo setup here, nothing fancy, but you do have a CD player. Got your climate control right here. Is your toggle switch for power adjustable pedals for the driver. Kind of bucket style seating. Alright, if you're interested in this one, please give me a call. I'd be happy to get you more info. You can reach me at 870-639-9200.